guys, Christy here from Christy Velasquez Art, and for today's pour we're going to be pouring over this canvas. So this is the painting from the previous video, which I think is number 9. This was the second rainbow cloudy effect tree ring pour that I did, and it came out way too pink. Really didn't like the colors. I lost all of my blues and my purples, and just really didn't like how this painting turned out. I also got alcohol ink on it, so I'm just going to paint over this tonight. And I'm going to be doing another cloudy pour, but I'm not going to do rainbow. I'm just going to do some of my favorite colors that I like to use in paintings and see what kind of effects I can get with those. So this is the colors I'm using tonight. I've got Liquitex Basics. This is the dioxazine purple. That is a mouthful. Artist Loft, the phthalo blue. The Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue. And then this is the first time I've used this. I'm excited. So this is the DecoArt Extreme Sheen and 24 karat gold. I think this one produces a lot of cell action on its own. So I'm hoping that, you know, this combined with the other colors, along with the DecoArt Satin Enamels, I'm going to get some really cool cloud effect with that. So for the white, this is what you do to get the cloud effect. So this is the DecoArt's Satin Enamels, and it is mixed one part to the satin enamels and 1 part to the Artist Loft white flow acrylic. And as you can see, it's pretty thin. And the way I thinned all of my paints was with a little bit of the Liquitex Pouring Medium, Floetrol, and then water. So that's all of my paints, including the satin enamels, was mixed with those 3 things. So it's the Liquitex Pouring Medium, Floetrol, and then water. And then I'm going to be using this cup. It's got a better nozzle. I don't really care if I get tree rings. I may go for that, but I'm just going to use this tonight. And then to cover my canvas, I've got, this is just a mixture of house paint and Floetrol. It's 1-to-1, so it's 1 part house paint to 1 part Floetrol. And the house paint I use, let me see if I can find it. This is one of the ones that I have. That's what's in here. This is the just flat, just your indoor paint. It's paint and primer. I did find that this on its own can produce some pretty cool effects. So we'll see how this goes using it as a base. All right, so I'm just going to pour, and I'm going to try to even cover the sides. So I'm probably going to have to get quite a bit of this paint on there. All right, let's see how that does. Let me get my spreader. And I do want it to go over the edges because, you know, those, I want those to be white as well. And like I said, we're going to use this. I'm going to move this back. And let me, hopefully you can see that still in the shot. You can. Okay. All right. So let's put some of the, we'll put, this is the DecoArt Satin Enamel mixture. We'll put that in the bottom first. And then I'm going to come along here and pour on the side. This is the dioxazine purple. Just going to pour that down here like this. And this is a 12 by 12 canvas. So I probably need about maybe 6 ounces of paint maybe. So I think you usually do like 5 to 6. So I'm going to do probably a little more than that. So this is the metallic cobalt blue. Pour some of that on there. think I'm going to go in a little bit more of this white. All right, there we go. All right, let's see how this is going to turn out. I just thought I probably should have torched the house paint, but that's okay. Wow, this gold is beautiful. It's like sitting on top of the other colors. Wow, it's really, really pretty. And I just realized this sort of looks like Mardi Gras. That metallic cobalt blue kind of looks green. And with the purple and the gold, totally looks like Mardi Gras. Alright, so here comes the rest of that. Whoa, I've got plenty of paint, guys. Way too much paint. I've got to stop putting so much paint in my container. Okay. Let's torch. I'm already getting really cool cells with this gold over here. Really pretty. But I'm going to torch out as much of the bubbles as I can right now, even in this white here. Alright. Let's start moving the paint around here. Oh, that gold is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh. You can't see how gorgeous it is on camera, but wow. Here looking at it, it's absolutely beautiful. My paint is moving pretty quick on here. Okay, so let me stop and decide how I want to do this. I am starting to get, you know, that cloudy effect in the middle. So that's awesome. I'm excited about that. So what I think, I really love this gold and I don't want to lose a lot of the gold. So I'm trying to decide if I want to go to the corners with that first. So I think I'm going to, I think I might stretch this a little bit there. Oh, okay. Oh, this is really pretty. Okay. All right, let's see. Maybe I'll go to this edge next. This is the part that I just am not the best at, is stretching my paint. All right, so I think I'm going to go get my paint kind of in the center here. Oh, that's so pretty. I almost, I want to keep it like that. It's really, really pretty. So let me kind of maybe see if I can get this corner. Wow. This is really pretty. It kind of reminds me of a peacock a bit. Okay, I go a little slower here. Help that over. All right. Bring this back. Oh my God, that gold is so beautiful, guys. I really, really wish you could see just how pretty that is. And I'm really debating on leaving a white edge like that. Oh, I don't know. So pretty. Wow. I mean, the effects I'm getting, the cloudy effect is so cool. This gold coming through here is beautiful. The thing I don't want to do is lose all this gold by coming to this corner. So that's what I'm worried about. So what I'm going to do here is first I'm gonna try to get my edges better here. All right, so let's see. Maybe if I just slowly tilt it, I might be able to not lose all this gold because it is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Going really slow here. All right, starting to go over the edge there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna help it here so that I don't lose more of that than I have to, because I love this gold. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. Oh, I wish you could see it in person. It is so pretty. Wow. But I'm gonna have to lose this because that looks kind of odd. So where's my paint? Okay. All right, let me bring that back. Wow, so pretty. And I do need to take this edge here. Push the paint over the edge. Yep, all right. Okay, I'm gonna lose all that beautiful gold and I do not want to do that. So let's see here. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this off. Okay. All right. Sometimes gloves are not your friend when you're trying to do these things. Okay. Now what I think I'm going to do is, because I don't want to mess it up too much, but I need to get my edges here. So I'm going to take just some of this purple and just bring it along the edge here instead of trying to tilt. Just gonna all right, let me take these very messy gloves off here and then we'll torch it and see what comes out with the torching. All right, let's torch. This is so beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Wow, I'm in love with this. It is just, this gold is probably going to be my new favorite color. I'm going to be using it a lot. Okay, so let's let this sit for 15 to maybe 20 minutes. We'll come back and we'll see what else forms. Right now, I'm loving this. Actually, I'm going to take you guys down for just a quick hold on. The camera's going to get shaky, but I kind of want you to see what's already happening here. So, because there might have been a glare, but gosh, can you see that beautiful gold that's in there? Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love it. The cloudy effect, I definitely got that. That's kind of crazy. This is like, I don't know, it's like a galaxy flower or something, but we'll let this sit and we'll come back and see what pops out. All right, be back in a few. Okay, so it's been probably about 30 minutes since I finished up this painting, and I'm getting a lot more cells, you know, through here that are popping up, some gold ones that have popped up. Sorry about the glare right there, but I'm loving this painting even more. It's absolutely beautiful. So let me take you down, give you a closer look. Look at these gorgeous gold cells that have popped up. These beautiful like light blue and purple cells. And then this part is just so pretty with the ribbons of gold mixed in with, you know, the beautiful metallic, that cobalt blue, mixed and made a beautiful green. So that's the top corner there. Coming along the top of it, I mean, look at the gold in between the cells. So pretty. That's the top corner. Here is the cloudy effect. To me, I think this looks like a flower kinda, so I might have to call this galaxy flower. I don't know, but I really like what's happening with this one. I love all the tiny little cells that popped up. I wish that I could just get a painting that had just this in it with all these little cells. I just think it's beautiful. But so there it is. So we will see what it looks like fully dried, and fingers crossed that it dries as pretty as it is right now. All right, thanks guys.